Does your day keep slipping away, leaving you exhausted but no closure to your goals? Here is the truth. You don't have any time problem. You have a focus problem. In this video, I will share 2 powerful secrets that can transform the way you work and help you to take control of your day. Stay with me till the end and start applying them today, because change starts now. Secret number 1. The power of prioritization. Do you follow the to-do list? To-do lists don't make you productive. They just keep you busy. It is to win list to follow. Most people start their day trying to clear a never-ending list of tasks. And by end of evening, they are exhausted, but not any closure to their real goals. Productivity is not about checking the boxes. It's about choosing the impact. I focus on my top 3 wins each day. And if I complete those, I feel like I have done for the day. I have already succeeded. For example, instead of replying 50 random emails, I focus on one email that moves a key project forward. That is progress. That is business, not busyness. To set true priorities, use the Eisenhower Decision Matrix. It is the best tool to cut through the noise. The key is knowing the difference between what is urgent and what is important. And here is the truth. Most of your time should go into the important but not urgent work, because that is where real growth happens. Think of your day like a pickle jar. The big rocks are morning workout, focused works, spending time with family. The things truly matter. Pebbles, sands, those are email notification, checking notification on social media, watching news. Now if you start filling your jar with the small thing first, you will never have the space for what is important. But when you start with big rocks, little things still fit. Does your day often vanish before you know it? Try this. Before going to bed, jot down 4 to 5 key things like your morning workout, most important task. And when you start with day, what matters, rest all naturally fits in. Before I talk on the second secret, I want to say this channel is not about me, it's about us, a community of dreamers, doers, hustlers and achievers. I am on a mission to reach 1 million people to share my experience, my knowledge. So please subscribe, like and share your comments. Share this video with others. Join my community. Let's build this movement together. Let's talk on second secret. Deep work or focused work through time blocking. Let's clarify one misconception. Multitasking. Multitasking is not a skill, it's a myth. Our brain was never designed for it. What if I told you just 90 minutes of focused work could be worth more than 8 hours of busyness? Think about it. Most of us spend our days bouncing between emails, phone calls, notifications. At the end of the day, we are drained, but have nothing meaningful to show. That is busyness. Now imagine blocking 90 minutes, no phone calls, no email, no distraction, just you and your important task. And that is deep work or focused work. And those 90 minutes can move your life or career forward more than an entire day of scattered effort. I use Sandglass timer, very useful for deep work. 30 minutes, distraction-free deep work. No phone calls, no notifications, no emails. Just a pure focus on a single high-value task. And once 30 minutes done, 2-3 minutes break, again 30 minutes. Again 2-3 minutes break, again 30 minutes. And in this 90 minutes, if I complete my most important high-value task for the day, I feel like I have done for the day. So secret 2, deep work with time blocking. Remember, productivity is not about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. Prioritize your big wins, protect your focus with the deep work, and start today. Today is the day. And your time is your life. Don't waste it, design it. If you feel these 2 secrets really work, and if you want more videos on habits, health, happiness, healing, please subscribe this channel and continue the journey with me. I will see you in my next video.